What's going on, guys? My name is of course Jay and welcome yourselves back to a brand new video from TechJayUK. In today's video it's going to be a quick unboxing, guys. We are unboxing the iPad Pro 11-inch 2021. Super excited to get inside to see what the brand new iPad Pro 2021 is like. It's going to be a massive upgrade for me because I'm going from an iPad 5th generation to this. It's just going to be a pure unboxing video just to show you my experience with unboxing it. Without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. So this is the iPad Pro 2021 11-inch in the space grey colour, and it's the 128 gig model, and I also opted for the cellular model. Here is the 11-inch iPad Pro 2021. First things off is that it's so incredibly thin, nice and light as well. I really do like this space grey colour option. We'll take another look at this in a minute. Let's just see what else we get inside the box. Two pretty big Apple logo stickers, quick start guide, just some more information. And because this is the cellular option with the SIM card, we get the little pin there so we can take out the SIM tray. This is the newly designed wall plug charger. Very cool design there. And this has the USB-C connection. I'm sure a lot of people are aware, but the iPad Pro has the USB-C charging slot on it. And then we get the USB-C to USB-C charging cable. That is everything you get inside the box. The 2021 iPad Pro sees the new edition of the M1 chip. This is Apple's next generation engine. I opted for the 11-inch model just purely for the fact of portability, really. The main aim of getting this is to see if I can switch from a MacBook Pro, which I have already, going fully to an iPad Pro. So that is the unboxing, guys. I'm going to keep this video short and sweet. This is purely just an unboxing video, but once I get up and running, like I mentioned, I will come out with a full review. I know there's so many unboxing videos on YouTube from other tech YouTubers. This was me just wanting to film my experience unboxing my brand new iPad. I can't wait to get set up and use this, and I'll be sure to drop a review of this in the next month or so, once I've had some time to see what it's really like. Please smash a like on the video if you've enjoyed it, subscribe to the channel, we are so close to 5,000 subscribers, and I'll see you in the next video.